I'm doing street photography. Got to get a photo of you.
Doing what?
Well, it's a camera. I do a YouTube video, and it's for photographers. And this is actually kind of an expensive camera. And I just,
as long as you don't put my face on nobody else's body or nothing.
No, nothing like that. And I can give you my number if you want a copy of it. By all means, that's fine as well. So we'll do it real quick here. Here we go. All right. That's gonna look good. Here we go, just like that. Get one more here, one more in. I'm sorry, I know it's embarrassing and weird, but it's weirder for me to ask. Okay, would you like a copy of it?
Sure.
Okay, just my number, and I'll send you the link. It'll be very tasteful. It's just I walk around Indianapolis, just take pictures and things, and pretty women they make great subjects. So I do appreciate it. I'll send you a text. Thank you. I think they're open. Oh, not till 5. Oh, cool. Wow, we got some sunlight now. Wow. Okay, there's this one little shade spot here, and that's where everybody's going to walk to, which kind of sucks. So I need to get over here and then at the last minute zoom over and get them because I don't want to get the cars in the shot. Okay, here we go. Okay, sunglasses always make for a cool photo. See, she's right in the shade here, so if I can get over here and then, oh, let me get out. Huh. Oh, well, I guess they still came out of it. Well, no, they did. Okay, this is... Okay, we got some people coming by here, so what I want to do is get these people turn around and get these people just as they're coming into me, but I don't want them to see my camera and such. That's kind of... Right. This is kind of weird. Okay, so I act like I'm taken way up there. Oh, that is very cool in black and white. Huh. That's neat. Okay, I'm going to walk by, and if there's anybody sitting in this restaurant here, I want to get their shot. You won't see it. There's nobody at the glass. Oh, there is right there, but I can't get to them.
I just found it in my pocket and I realized I was messing with it in my pocket.
Again, there's no light that way, so I really don't want to go that way.
But yeah,
As you can see, the sun is doing its thing.
Get a hotel room. Pretty soon the other side of the street's going to have the sun on it. That's going to be about lunchtime. Okay, we got just a little bit of light here. We got some down here. this lady over here. Well, I get two out of this one. Okay, so we got no people over this way, so we've got to cross over. And the light is, oh, the light's off. Fuck that.
All right, guys, so that's going to do it for today. Certainly do appreciate you tuning in and checking things out, and I'm going to call it a day here in downtown Indianapolis. We'll certainly be back with more videos throughout the winter, so stay tuned. Please like, please subscribe, all that good stuff. I really do appreciate it. Love the comments, love conversing with y'all. So again, guys, that's going to do it for this one. Do appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one.